Hi guys, I'm Saurabh. Today I'm gonna showing you my WhatsApp Center app, which I have already created in the Android Studio by the help of XML for the design purpose and the Java language for the coding. So by this app, we can send any random number, any random phone number, any random messages at any time without saving the number to our WhatsApp contact, but it should use your WhatsApp. So and I'm gonna showing you this app installed on my mobile, which I have already my phone. So let's check that how can I install the app into my mobile, and then it will be work. At first I'm just click on the start button, click on the run button. Okay, it should be installed and the cattle building. The app told me install it, then I've just installed. After installed, the app will be showing on my screen, mobile screen. Then you just type any number. I'm just trying to send any messages to my number 9932824001, and I'm just hi, this is test message. I'm just send it. When I'm gonna send, it should be open the window. I'm just clicking on WhatsApp. Okay, then this is my two WhatsApp. I'm just clicking my first number. Okay, it should be going to the number here, and this is the messages, and I'm gonna click the send button. Okay, so the message is going to my WhatsApp. You can send any random number which is not saved on your WhatsApp. Okay, and waiting for my next app which is more useful to you. Thank you.